Here's what I'm watching this week before the markets open, and you should too. There is one chart I'm truly obsessed with, and no one's talking about. Let me show you. First, I'll talk about ticker SMCI. I see potential on SMCI going up back to $100. Why? Because there is an ascending channel. Whenever we have an ascending channel, sometimes we reject, sometimes we break out. And for this time, there is a clear breakout. Probably this is a retest before heading higher. If not, let's take a look at SPY. Okay, so in SPY, probably we're gonna dip below this EMA around 605, 608. It's still bullish. I'm not flipping short, even if we dip. So when we have the pre-market kick in, I think we're gonna dip below because this is a clear support. I think it's gonna open under the support, but you need to watch out what we're having this week. There is not much going on Monday. Monday is a chill day, Tuesday as well, but in Thursday we have the non-farm payroll, so and the initial jobless claim. So those are some market movers, but nothing to watch on Monday. Monday is gonna be a chill day. So for SPY, I see like a dip at the 614, 6 till 610. It's an opportunity to buy any dips. But first, ticker is SMCI. I see SMCI going higher. Although I was buying SMCI way down at $18, I have on my IG page, I was buying SMCI on $18, but I sold around 38. If I held, I would have made a lot of money, but I did not want to go through this up and down, up and down, up and down. But it's better if I held. If I held, it's going up. But there is always an entry, and you could re-enter. So not much to stress about. Okay, so this is the first pattern that you could take a look at. Second stock, and this is the most A plus setup that I'm looking at. It's the most high probability setup right now. It's Lucid. I don't believe I'm telling you guys to buy Lucid, but Lucid is a buying opportunity. It's so good right now. And it's my best setup, to be honest. Lucid is my best setup here. So Lucid is reporting earnings tomorrow and at market close on Monday. But I could see Lucid easily kicking up to $5. Easily. It's gonna go up to $5. If not, stop loss is gonna be at 2. So you're exactly risking 42 cents for $2.50. So that's a good vs reward. So that's a good ratio. Lucid is my best setup yet. I see Lucid going back to $5. Especially I just went to Miami and I saw Lucid just got a new SUV. So probably it's gonna move the stock. And yeah, so Lucid is my best setup currently. I see Lucid going back up to $5 minimum. Third setup I'm looking at this week is ticker HIMS. I've been talking about HIMS again and again and again. And last week we nailed long on HIMS and we had our stop on 54. But now, since we're swinging it, it's not a day trade anymore. I see the max downside is at 48. So you could dollar cost average on the way down. If it goes up, you're still making money. If it goes down, you could dollar cost average, but it's not supposed to go under 48. If it went under 48, that's a cut loss. But HIMS is looking good. Why? Let's go at the weekly chart. It's a clear uptrend. HIMS is never pulling back. It's always going up, going down, up, and I think this time is going more up. It's going $80 to $100. So that's an opportunity on HIMS as well. So HIMS, I'm looking for longs. Everything this week, right now, I'm talking about, they're all longs. So we talked about SMCI. SMCI is long. We talked about Lucid, which is my favorite setup. It's long as well. And ticker HEMS. HEMS is long as well. The fourth stock I'll be talking about is Figma. I don't know if you heard about Figma or not, but everyone is talking about Figma right now. And look what news we have on Figma. Figma was the IPO came out at 30 billion. Right now it's sitting on 60 billion. I think it came out less than 24 billion. Okay, let's go. Oh, so it came out on $33 a share. Right now Figma is 122. Okay, what do I think of Figma from here? Although we don't have data, so we can't know if it's gonna go up or down. So right now, when I'm telling you, okay, I think Figma is going to 150, it's not about technical analysis anymore. It's about the hype and price action. Why? So for the first time, we stopped at 148.80, and it's an critical level on the 150. So usually those stocks, like, they reject one time over here, next time they soar. So that's why it literally opened on 33, the IPO at 33, to went up all the way to 148 in one single session. Then the other session we pulled back from 143 all the way to 110. 110 was a strong support. But what I think, as I was saying, SPY, we're gonna have a deeper correction when currently it's 5:30 right now. When we have market update at 6, or yeah, it's on 6 o'clock, and the US markets open at 8, we're gonna see what's going on with SPY. But I think SPY is gonna open down, and it's gonna be a buying opportunity. Why? Because it literally stopped on a support, and usually they break, and it's gonna be a short squeeze. So everyone is shorting since we broke the 634 level. 634 level wasn't great short. Why did I choose the 634 for more downside? Okay, so it's a clear support here, support. So what happened in this session? We had the Fed speaking, so that's why it's up and down. Then we came back to the support where we had it on 2 sessions, but we broke down this level, so that's why we continued to go down. So that's why I was betting on the downside more than the upside. And reward, it made a lot of sense. So stops were right here, and we know it's not gonna stop over here. It's gonna continue to dip, but it continued to dip at the late session. So at Friday we saw a huge sell-off on everything, crypto, SPY, but gold rallied. As we were talking about gold, we said gold is a great opportunity to buy. If you're not buying gold, you're missing out. I'll show you on gold. Gold dipped really hard on till 300. Then we had a bounce to 310. So that's a great move. So those are the tickers that I'm currently watching. Oh, and last one, Tesla. If Tesla goes under 300, I'll just cut losses, and that's it with Tesla. But if the 300 level holds, a great move is incoming. So those are the stock I'm watching. As well, we can throw Apple as well. Why? Because all the 3 trillion market cap companies were soaring, like Nvidia, Microsoft. So Apple is lagging a bit, but hopefully is gonna catch up. So that's it. Peace.